Hi guys, this is Vasu here. Today I'll update you about computer languages. So, what is a computer language? Computer language is the language by which a user commands a computer to work on the algorithm which a user has written to get an output. Technically, a programming language is a vocabulary and set of grammatical rules for instructing a computer or computing device to perform specific tasks. Types of programming languages. Programming languages are of two types, low-level programming language and high-level programming language. Low-level programming language is of two types, that is first generation language and second generation language, whereas high-level programming language has one single subpart, that is third generation language. Low-level language. A low-level programming language is a programming language that provides little or no abstraction from computer's instruction set architecture. Consists of numeric codes, that is 0 and 1. These codes are easily understandable to computer but difficult to human. A lower level language is used in two generations of computer, that is first generation language and second generation language. So, first generation language. First generation language is a grouping of programming languages that are machine level languages used to program first generation computers. The instructions were given through the front panel switches of these computers directly to the CPU. There was originally no compiler or assembler to process the instructions in first generation language. The instructions in first generation language are made of binary numbers represented by ones and zeros. Second generation languages. A second generation language is a grouping of programming languages associated with assembly languages. Unlike the first generation languages, programs can be written symbolically using English words in a way that human can understand and are subsequently converted into machine language by an assembler. So here comes the advantages and disadvantages of low level language. Advantages are the computational speed is very fast. It is directly understandable by computer. Disadvantages are development of program in machine language is very time consuming. Error correction is a very tedious process. High level languages. A high level language is any programming language that enables development of a program in a much more user friendly programming context. A high level language has a higher level of abstraction from the computer and focuses more on the programming logic rather than the underlying hardware components. A high-level language does not require addressing hardware constraints when developing a program. However, every single program written in a high-level language must be interpreted into machine language before being executed by the computer. Third generation languages. With the languages introduced by the third generation of computers programming, words and commands were being used instead of just symbols and numbers. These languages therefore had syntax that was much easier to understand, thus made the programming language more programmer friendly. Third generation languages are known as high level languages and include C, C++, Java, and JavaScript among others. Here come advantages and disadvantages of high level language. Advantages are these are simple to adopt due to their English-like structure of statements. They are easy to maintain and debug. Disadvantages are the program written in high level language are less efficient as they take more execution time. The compiler also consumes some memory as it is required for the translation process. Hope you all like this video.